Hey everybody, I'm HondaPro Jason at Kirk's Collision Center here in Republic, Missouri. And as you guys already know, this is my painted yellow Civic Type R. I call this car Experiment 891 because it's an experiment. We're always changing things, as I'm going to tell you guys in a second here. 891 is the build number. It's the display number inside. So what we're doing next is I ordered a Mugen wing from Japan. My friends at King Motorsports out in Wisconsin hooked me up with this, and it's pretty awesome. It's going to be painted. We're going to paint this yellow. This is carbon fiber, and let me show you where it's going to go. It is going to replace, come on up here, it's going to replace this somewhat factory wing that came from Honda, and it's going to go right up there, and it's going to match the roof a little bit better, which I think is going to be awesome. So King Motorsports, you guys are rock stars. Thank you so much. US is one of the first countries to get this, and this piece is actually a numbered piece, and the number you guys can see right there, 2-33. So I am super excited to put this on. In addition to this piece that I got from King Motorsports, I also have this piece from Varis. What in the heck is this thing, right? Well, check this out. You guys have ever noticed I'm about to ruin every picture of every single Type R you've ever seen, because watch this. This wheel well, this lip here, stops right here. In a lot of cars, it continues on. Guess what this does? This piece here, get this set up right. This piece here actually fits right on there. It comes from a company out in Japan called Varis. My friends at Jay's Racing set me up with this one. Look at this. So it's gonna be painted yellow. It's gonna be attached right to the door, and doors are locked, but it'll be attached right to the door, and it'll kind of finish off that wheel well right there. In addition to that, of course, I have my Titan 7 wheels with my Yokohama tires going on. And when all this is done and all this is painted, it's getting sent right to my friends over at Status Auto Detailing, and they are going to detail the car front to back. They've already put Seacort's Finest on there. They already put a PPF on the front to protect it. They're just gonna go over the car one more time to make sure it's perfect for SEMA. You heard it, this car is gonna be at SEMA. It's gonna be at the Orbis booth, where they're gonna have installed the rear wheel drive electric motors to make this car all-wheel drive. I told you guys this is an experiment. This car is gonna blow people's mind. I'm so excited to be part of this build. All of the work is now done. The wheels are on, Titan 7s with the Yokohama tires look amazing. Totally changes the stance of the car. The Mugen rear wing looks outstanding. I'm so happy with the way this turned out. Look at this. Completely awesome. Yeah, look at how wide you can see the tires just sticking out of the wheel well. Look at that. Nice. Nice and meaty. Brought the car up through Thunder Hill. Before we go on track, I need to fuel up. And this car is gonna get fueled up with some 100 octane fuel, and this is gonna be fun. I'm having a blast at ITR Expo, but now I got my helmet. It is time to bring my car on track, and I have Peter Cunningham to drive it for me. I will be filming a little bit, checking things out, and just enjoying it and taking plenty of tips, because I want to drive my car on track as well.
well.
Good, good, thank you.
I, was a little tentative going out and not sure what to make of it, but
course.
instantly I could tell that the thing was just right there.
That's awesome.
Yeah. What a capable car.
Good. I saw 120, which is pretty good for the track.
Yeah, the NSX is only 130 at the end of the straightaway.
Okay.
Should we get a picture right here?
Yeah, that'd be cool. We had 120 miles an hour on the straight, and he said the NSX only did 130, so it's not far behind. So I am very, very impressed with the car. It looks absolutely stunning. Huge shout out again to Kirk's Collision. You guys are amazing. And I did not forget, everyone's loving the wheel arch. It really just finishes off the side of the car. Look at that. When you guys see one without now, it looks like it's just, there's something missing. Status Auto Detail, can't thank you guys enough, making my car look amazing. Titan 7 Yokohama, King Motorsports, you guys are all amazing. Thank you so much for helping. And thank you guys for watching the build. I really enjoy every time I go to a show, people come up to me and they're like, oh, I've been watching the build online. It's so cool to see it in person. I never thought I'd see it in person. That's why I'm bringing the car everywhere. That's why I'm bringing the car to California. That's why I bring the car to Canada. That's why I'm going to be bringing the car to Florida. Guys, I want you to see the build. I want you to see it in person. I want to share my passion for the Honda brand with you. So as always, guys, I'm the Honda Pro, and now you're in the know. I'll see you guys soon. Are you going to the SEMA show in Las Vegas in the end of October? You can see my car with a rear-wheel drive conversion, making it all-wheel drive electric hub assemblies in the rear by a company called Orbis. I just released a video on some of their testing models. It looks insane. I cannot wait to show it to the world very soon.